Good morning, friends. My name is Sachin Dadrikatkar, and today's date is 5th January 2022. And today's video topic is Java garbage collection. Java application obtain objects in memory as needed. It is the task of garbage collection in the Java virtual machine. To automatically determine what is the memory is no longer being used by Java application and to recycle this memory for other uses because memory is automatically recommended in the JVM. Java application developers are not bounded with having to explicitly pre-memory objects that are not being used. The garbage collection operation is based on premise that most objects used in Java code are short-lived and can be reclaimed shortly after their creation. Because unreferred objects are automatically removed from the heap memory. Garbage collection makes Java memory efficient. Garbage collection free the programmer from the manually delay. With the memory dedication as the result contain categories of application program. Works are eliminated or substantially reduced by the garbage collection. Regling pointers works which occurs when the piece of memory is freed while there are still pointers to it. And one of these pointers are dereferred by then the memory may have been reassigned to other use with the unpredictable result. Double prebacks which occurs when the program tries to free region of memory that has already been freed and perhaps already been allocated again. Certain kind of memory leaks in which a program fails to free memory occupied by objects that have become unreachable which can lead to memory execution. There are two types of garbage collection activity that usually happens in Java. The minor or incremental garbage collection. It's said to have occurred when unreachable objects in the young generation heap memory are removed. The major or full garbage collection is said to have occurred when the object that served the major garbage collection and copied into old generation permanent generation heap memory are removed. When compare young generation garbage collection happen less frequently in old generation. To free up memory, the JVM must stop the application from the running for the least short time execute garbage collection. This process is called stop the world. This means all of threads except for the garbage collection threads will stop executing until the garbage collection thread are executed and objects are freed up by the garbage collector. Modern garbage collection implementation try to minimize blocking. Stop the world steals by doing as much work as possible on the background. That is using separate thread method. Thank you.